BMW X1 with FRM3 model problem. Like you see, emergency flash doesn't working, either blinkers or flashlight. Many electrical problems. Now we will try to fix FRM3. Now we are reading FRM with microtronic Hexprog program here. I am done reading a flash. Now I will try to repair option with Hexprog. Okay, we will wait now. EEPROM has been repaired. I am installed FRM3 inside the car, put back everything. Now I will try to switch ignition. Okay, I need a key. Ignition is on. Emergency flasher is okay. Flashlight okay. Blinker okay. Horn is okay. Oh, bad tint. Everything working okay. That is that.